everyone, welcome to summers and welcome to mango season. So let us know this king of fruit, mango. Only fruit is not useful but whole tree is useful. Today let's know what are the uses of this complete tree. Let's start with this tender leaves of mangoes. Tender leaves of mangoes are useful in diabetes and also in cough. How you can use? Just take some 5 to 10 tender leaves of mangoes, soak it overnight in the warm water. Next day morning you have to just consume the water after filtering it. That will be useful for your cough because it helps and supports your lung, controls your blood sugar level also. So this is a beautiful remedy for controlling blood sugar levels. Secondly, let us talk about the seed which is present inside the mango. We all throw the seeds, but the seeds are very useful in diarrhea condition or loose stools conditions and also bleeding piles. How to use it? You have to just take the seed, dry it for 3 particular days, remove the outer shell, the kernel should be grinded, and that powder, half a spoon of powder in 1 glass of warm water, mixing it and consuming it. It contains thambana property, that is it having astringent properties there in the seed. That stops the loose stools and also it will be very useful to stop the bleeding piles also. And then the bark. Nobody knows what you can do with the bark, but you know the bark you have to just scrape it, and that bark is very useful in loose stools also and wound healing also. How to use it? You have to just take the bark, make it into small pieces and put it in 1 glass of water. Boil it nicely till it reduces to half a glass of water, consuming it in twice a day. That stops the loose stools, and for the wound purpose, you can just leave it to cool and you can wash the wound with that water because it contains thambana property that constrict the blood vessels and also it is anti-inflammatory property. Such a beautiful remedy for wound healing also. And lastly, taking this flowers and about let's talk about the main mango. So flowers, let us talk about the tender flowers which you see in mango trees in this summers. You have to just take that flowers once it is dried and put it in 1 glass of water, boil it nicely, reduce it to half and consume it in urinary tract infections because it is very useful for cooling your body, and once it is cooled, acidic nature in your body will be reduced so that your urinary tract infections also will be calmed down. And lastly, this mango. Everyone thinks only ripened mango is useful, but the raw mango is also very useful for your digestion sake. This raw mango, how to use? You have to just take the raw mango, prepare a chutney out of it by adding cumin, little bit jeera and little bit of salt to it. 1 spoon you have to consume before food. That ignites your digestive fire and also improves your appetite and digestion also. So the whole plant is useful. The summers are known for mangoes, but we only concentrate on ripened mangoes, but the whole plant is useful in this particular summer. Let us all take the benefits of all parts of the plant which has been given in this particular summer from Mother Earth. Thank you.